So we are going hands-on with the most compact of the new S10 series. This is the S10e. What is so special about it? Well, it's a 5.8-inch screen. It's a dynamic AMOLED Full HD plus resolution display. You can see there is a punch hole here. It's not as small as the Honor View 20, but you can see it's not a big hindrance either, especially with the One UI that's working so well with this compact phone. So let's take a look at the hardware here. What's different? Again, it's a superbly compact phone compared to the other phones. There is no edge-to-edge curved screen here. So it's a flat screen and it is superb in terms of hand feel and everything. The sides are metal and the back is glass. You can see on the right side there is a fingerprint sensor which also doubles up as a power button. And then on this side you have a Bixby button and the volume rocker. And over at the bottom you have the 3.5mm jack, which Samsung has not removed, which is great. And there is also USB-C, the primary microphone and the speaker grill. And over at the top, we have the micro SIM card tray and the primary microphone. Now moving on to the back, you can see this is a very beautiful color that we have here. It's a slightly bluish, metallic bluish tone. And the main difference in the camera setup is that instead of a triple camera, there is a dual camera. One is a wide angle and one is a normal angle lens. Along with it, you have the LED flash and the heart rate sensor and so on. So let's move into the software. This is running One UI, which I love. The design is great. And going into the settings, you will find that it is running on Android Pie. So let's go into the About phone and go into the software information. You can see it's Android Pie. Overall, I feel it looks great, it feels great. This is a superb compact phone and it is going to be priced at 55,900 in the Indian market. Let's quickly take a look at the camera here. This is the normal and this is the wide angle. This is the ultra wide angle, so to speak. So this phone will be retailing in India really soon and I'm really excited to test this out. It's a fantastic phone and my preference is for this of the lot. I know the S10 other series are going to be really good, but my preference is this phone. So I'm going to be reviewing this soon. Stay tuned for that and do subscribe to the channel and do hit that like button and give a comment. What do you think about this phone, S10e? Let us know in the comment section below. Let's move on to the other hands-on videos. They'll be in the channel.